India today reported less than 20,000 cases for the first time since 1st March, with 18,795 cases. It has also seen a sharp drop from the cases reported yesterday, which were 26,041 cases. The country also reported 179 deaths, again a big dip from the 276 deaths reported a day ago. Kerala, which continues to lead the states in the daily COVID cases, saw a sharp drop in its case tally with 11,699 cases. The state also reported 58 deaths. The cumulative number of COVID-19 vaccine doses administered in the country across 86 crore, with over 1 crore doses, were given on Monday, the Union Health Ministry said. The daily COVID-19 vaccinations in the country had crossed 1 crore for the first time on August 27th. The World Health Organization has further delayed the emergency use of authorization for Covaxin, the COVID vaccine developed in India, as the global body has sent more technical queries to its manufacturer Bharat Biotech, according to sources. This delay is likely to adversely affect Indians, especially students' international travel plans. Without the emergency use authorization, Covaxin will not be considered an accepted vaccine by most countries around the world. WHO's queries for Bharat Biotech comes despite them asserting that they have submitted all the data required for clearance. NGOs and social groups working for women's rights and against child marriage have written to Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, objecting the state's Marriages Amendment Bill 2021 that has said that all marriages, including those of minors, must be registered. In the case of minors, the bill says that the parents or the guardians must register the marriages. Passed last week in the assembly, this has led to a huge uproar in the state, and those fighting against child marriages and girls who have been victims of child marriage say this is a retrograde bill. The Taliban brutally executed a child in Takhar province of Afghanistan after his father is suspected to be part of an Afghan resistance force. The brutality has been reported by Panjshir Observer, which is an independent media covering Panjshir and Afghanistan situation. The Panjshir Observer said, a child executed in Takhar province by Taliban fighters after his father is suspected of being in the resistance. The incident reflects the Taliban's crackdown on Afghans who raised voices against them. Reliance Industries is in talks to buy a stake in Indian mobile content provider Glance InMobi, according to people familiar with the matter. The conglomerate is considering investing about $300 million in the unicorn backed by Google, the people said, asking not to be identified as the information is private. The transaction could be completed as soon as in the next few weeks. Glance InMobi pushes curated news and entertainment content onto phone lock screens and also runs a short video app. Reliance's investment could involve strategic cooperation along with financial element, they said.